In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent text in CapCut. To start, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video or image you want to use as your background, because the transparent text effect will reveal this background through the letters. Once your background is in the timeline, make sure it fills the duration you need. You can trim or extend the clip so the timing matches how long you want the transparent text to stay on screen. Next, we're going to add the text that will become transparent. Tap on the text option and choose to add text. Type in your word or phrase and place it roughly where you want it to appear. Don't worry too much about the exact position yet. You can always adjust it later. Choose a bold, thick font if possible, because the see-through effect looks best when the letters have enough area to reveal the video behind them. Also, increase the font size so the text is clear and readable. Now, instead of using this text as a normal title, we're going to turn it into a mask. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may have a blend or overlay mode available. The goal is to have the background video show through the text while the area around the text is darkened or covered. One common approach is to place a solid color layer, usually black or white, above your background, and then put the text on that layer so the letters cut through it. If you have a mask or cutout option, select it and apply it to the text so that only the letters become transparent. At this point, adjust the position of the text so it sits exactly where you want it on the screen. You can center it or move it to a specific part of the frame, depending on your design. Take a moment to play through the video to see how the movement of the background interacts with the transparent letters. If the background is very busy, you may want to tweak the size or font to keep the text readable. Finally, once you're happy with the effect, export your video. Choose the resolution and frame rate that match your project needs, then save it to your device. After export, review the final result to confirm the transparent text looks clean and smooth. And that's how you create transparent text in CapCut.